Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain how to find images or the images of a function such that the function is given as piecewise function. So here f of x is given, or as you see we have three definitions for f of x. So first of all it's 2x when x is less than 0, and this function is equal to x plus 1 when x is between 0 and 1, and it's equal to 3x when x is bigger or equal to 1. And as you see, the question is to find the following images. And I'm going to start with f of negative 1. F of negative 1 is less than 0, which means that I have to use the first definition. So f of negative 1 will be equal to 2 times negative 1, so it will be equal to negative 2. Second image is f of 0. If you look at f of 0 is not defined, or it's undefined, because simply the first definition is given as 2x when x less than strictly than 0, and the second definition is x plus 1 when x strictly bigger than 0, which means that this image is undefined. F of 0.5. So 0.5 is located between 0 and 1, which means that I need to use the second definition to find this image, which means that f of 0.5 will be simply 0.5 plus 1, which is equal to 1.5. I'll continue by finding the image of f of 1. So f of 1 is defined in the third definition, because for x, if you look at the third definition, here we have x bigger or equal to 1, which means that f of 1 is simply 3 multiplied by 1, so it's equal to 3. Finally, f of 2, we know that 2 is bigger than 1, which means that, so 2 is here, which means that I need to use the third definition. So f of 2 is simply 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6.